What if the universe isn't what we think it is? What if everything, time, light, matter, even you, is just a fragile illusion held together by forces we barely understand? Somewhere out there, hidden in the silence between galaxies, exist cosmic predators. Beings of gravity so powerful, so absolute, that they can erase the concept of existence itself. They have no surface, no shape, no light. You can't see them, can't touch them. And yet they control the rhythm of entire galaxies. Black holes. The name sounds simple, almost harmless. But behind those two words hides something beyond imagination. They swallow stars whole. They twist time into spirals. They turn physics, our proudest achievement, into confusion. And maybe, just maybe, they hold the secret of everything. Because inside a black hole, the universe changes its language. Equations stop working. Space forgets how to behave. Time forgets how to move. So before you blink, before you scroll away, ask yourself, do we really understand black holes? Or are we staring into a cosmic mirror, seeing the limits of our own understanding staring back at us? Black holes begin their lives as stars. Massive, brilliant stars that shine for millions of years. But when they run out of nuclear fuel, their own gravity turns against them. The outer layers collapse inward. The core compresses under unimaginable pressure. And in a fraction of a second, the star dies in a spectacular explosion called a supernova. What's left behind is not ashes, but something far more terrifying. A point of infinite density called the singularity. This singularity is where all known physics breaks down. Space and time no longer behave normally. Gravity becomes so strong that even light, the fastest thing in existence, can't escape. That's why black holes are black. They don't emit light. They devour it. Surrounding the singularity is something called the event horizon. The ultimate boundary. Once you cross it, you can never come back. It's not a wall, not a surface you can touch. It's a limit written into the very fabric of reality. From the outside, it looks calm. But what's happening near that edge is beyond imagination. Matter stretches, atoms break apart, and time slows down. If you watched someone falling into a black hole, you'd never see them reach the center. They'd appear frozen in time, their image fading slowly as light struggles to escape. To you, it would look like they're trapped forever. But for them, inside the black hole, time would pass normally, until they reached the singularity and reality itself tore apart. This isn't science fiction. It's Einstein's general relativity, proven again and again by observation. But here's where the story gets even more fascinating and confusing. Einstein's theory perfectly explains gravity and spacetime. But when we apply quantum physics, the science of atoms and subatomic particles, everything falls apart. At the heart of a black hole, gravity is infinite and size is zero. That doesn't make sense in quantum mechanics. It means our understanding of the universe is incomplete. Physicists have been searching for a theory of everything, a single framework that unites relativity and quantum physics. And black holes might be the key to it. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds in history, discovered something extraordinary. Black holes aren't completely black. Through a process called Hawking radiation, they slowly emit energy and lose mass, meaning they can actually evaporate. Over trillions of years, a black hole could fade away completely. But if that's true, what happens to the information about everything it has swallowed? Because in physics, information can never be truly lost. And that's where the black hole information paradox was born. A puzzle that still haunts science today. Now let's step into the world of possibility. Some scientists believe black holes might not just destroy. They could create. Think of the singularity as a cosmic doorway. A point where our universe connects to another one. Some theories suggest that every black hole could be the beginning of a new universe. A baby cosmos born inside its core. Imagine that. Every black hole we see out there might be the seed of another universe. Maybe even one with its own galaxies, stars, and intelligent beings wondering the same thing about their black holes. And then there's the theory of wormholes. Tunnels through space-time. That could connect distant parts of the universe instantly. It's possible that black holes and their opposite twins, white holes, could form these passages. Gateways across the cosmos. We can't prove it yet. But mathematics says it's possible. And in science, that's often where discoveries begin. The black holes we've talked about so far are small. Maybe a few times the mass of the Sun. But in the centers of galaxies lie supermassive black holes. Millions, even billions of times larger. In 2019, we finally saw one. The Event Horizon Telescope captured the first-ever image of a black hole in galaxy M87. A glowing ring of light surrounding a perfect shadow. That image changed history. It proved that black holes aren't just theory. They're real, powerful, and everywhere. But how do such massive black holes form? No one knows. They might grow by consuming stars, merging with other black holes. Or perhaps they were born in the earliest moments after the Big Bang. Some scientists even think that our universe itself could have been born from the collapse of a black hole. In another dimension, black holes challenge everything we know about reality. They break the rules, bend time, and maybe even rewrite the story of creation itself. We used to think they were cosmic destroyers. But now, they might be creators. Silent architects of the universe. Shaping galaxies, birthing new worlds, and hiding secrets we can barely imagine. Every time we learn something new about them, we uncover 10 new questions. And that's what makes them so powerful. They remind us how small we are, and how much more there is to discover. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere out there, a black hole is quietly consuming entire stars, while also holding the answers to the deepest mysteries of existence. Maybe black holes aren't the end of everything. Maybe they're the beginning of everything else. If this journey through the unknown inspired you even a little, don't leave without joining our community of dreamers and explorers. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Because this is just one step into the infinite mysteries of our universe. Stay curious, stay wondering, and never stop looking up.